Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Aleksandra Binkowska, the CEO of Hydrogen Utopia International. Aleksandra, good to speak with you. And of course, good news out today is Ohrid Organics has secured a supply agreement with Canopy Growth. That's one of the world's largest cannabis companies. So a positive development as you move to acquire a 49% stake in Ohrid.
Great seeing you again, Stephen. Yes, indeed, you are very, very correct. Canopy Growth is a major player in the cannabis market. Exactly as you said, there are three major companies, and they are one of them. And yes, HUI is in the process of taking a 49% stake in Ohrid Organics. So we are delighted with the progress, and we are delighted with the development. And the association with a company like that is something. I mean, it's a word that Americans mostly use, not you, but it's massive. It's grandiose, really. It's heartwarming. It shows that all the investment, all the hard work, all the, I would say, months and months of blood, sweat, and tears have come to pass, and the agreements that we have with Ohrid Organics has, and partially, yes, HUI will have as we take a stake in the future. It shows that we are a serious company, and I think it's great. I think it's amazing. So my biggest thing, as always, with this investment was that cannabis is fantastic. I believe that medicinal cannabis is a great investment in general, but it is not my field. It is my whole point in doing this investment is to accelerate and to build my plastic waste to hydrogen plant, and this is exactly why I've done the investment, and that's why I am progressing with it, and that's why we're going through the process of acquisition. So the better Ohrid Organics is doing, obviously, the better Hydrogen Utopia will be doing in the future and is doing. So I'm delighted.
So Ohrid's going to be producing 5 strains of cannabis for Canopy Growth's German subsidiary. Does it have the capacity? Because I know that HUI has been investing in Ohrid. They're about to open their 5th and 6th greenhouses. Will this give them the capacity to meet supply agreements like this?
Absolutely. I will not speak for Ohrid Organics, but yes, we are growing indeed, and the 5th and 6th greenhouse, they're already finished. So they're ready. I will be very careful with not speaking for Ohrid Organics because I do not represent Ohrid Organics yet. But this is exactly the intent of Ohrid Organics, and this is exactly the reason. And I must say, just personally, as a private person and not as a CEO, my German friends are telling me that there's basically a 80% shortage in the German market. So the demand is absolutely incredible in Germany. That is why there's no product in the UK. There are shortages pretty much everywhere where medicinal cannabis is legal. So this is a commodity and a very, very, very needed one. And as I said in my which is important to me, as I said in my quote, what I'm doing, which is trying to clean up the world from plastic, is very important. But also having an investment in a company that does good is also important to me, because medicinal cannabis now has proven to help people in great pain: cancer patient, epilepsy, arthritis, insomnia, heavy depression, which was not cured or was difficult to cure, or help curing the pain with other means. So this is a great thing to do good on both sides with one investment and the other. I think it's great.
Aleksandra, I hope you'll keep us posted on any additional progress. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
That's Aleksandra Binkowska, the CEO of Hydrogen Utopia International.